Okay, guys, here are three multi-step algebra problems just to kind of give you an idea of how to solve these things. So come back to these, watch the video often, and hopefully they will make sense to you. So this video will take as long as it takes. I will try to use different colors based off of what I am doing. So number one, 3 parentheses 2x minus 5 plus 4 equals 2x plus 17. Okay, so how do I take care of this first? Like, what would I do? So we want to employ SADMEP as much as possible to solve these kinds of problems. Remember, that stands for subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, and parentheses. But in this case, we're actually going to look at that 3 that's outside of the parentheses. Is there a way that I can make everything there divisible by 3? And so, like, I just look at this 2x, and immediately I'm like, if I divide by 3, I'm going to end up with a fraction. I don't like fractions, so I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to start with is actually distribution. So I'm going to start by distributing the 3 inside the parentheses. Now 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 5 is minus 15. Now the parentheses are gone, and I have plus 4 equals 2x plus 17. At this point, I'm going to start to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to start by combining like terms. So on the left, I don't have 2 variables, but I do have 2 constants. I have minus 15 plus 4, and I'm going to put those together first. So 6x. So whenever I have a positive and a negative, I just think about it as a subtraction problem. I start with the big number, subtract the small number. So 15 minus 4 is 11. And then which one of those is bigger? Will I have a positive or a negative number? Well, 15 is bigger than 4, and it's the negative. So I'm going to have minus 11 equals 2x plus 17. Okay, so there we are. Now we have got it cleaned up on both sides. Now our goal is to get the variable by itself. And I like to move the variable first, and I like it to be positive. So for that reason, I have 6x on one side, I have 2x on the other side. I'm going to bring the 2x over to this side, and the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Okay, if we think about that metaphor that we went over in class about fruit, basically I have 6 boxes of oranges on one side and 2 boxes of oranges on the other side. I'm going to take 2 boxes of oranges off of the scale. Everything's going to stay the same, but the 2x minus 2x is going to cancel out. 6x minus 2x. So I have 6 boxes. I take 2 boxes away. I have 4 boxes left over. Minus 11 equals 17. I'm done with the boxes. I have now boxes just on one side. I have 4 boxes. And then I have these 11 oranges on one side and 17 oranges on the other side. And I want to think about opposites here. So if I subtract 11 on one side, now obviously I can move the 17 over to this side. But if I do that, then I'm not going to have anything left over to be on that side. So I'm actually going to move the minus 11 over to the other side to get the constant on one side. So how do I do that? I think of the opposite of minus 11, which is positive 11. I'm going to add 11 to both sides. That's going to give me the 4 boxes. I'm going to bring the 4 boxes down. The 11 oranges are gone. And on the other side, because I added 11, I have 17 plus 11, which is 28. And I have 4 boxes on one side, 28 oranges on the other side. I need to split that up now. I want to know how many are in one box. So to do that, I'm going to do the inverse operation. So it's 4 times x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the 28 oranges and I'm dividing them into 4 boxes. That's going to cancel out the 4s on the left and leave me with just 1 box, right? I could even put that there. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 box, and then 28 divided by 4, I know my 4s, but if you don't, use your calculator. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So x equals 7. And just to finish off the fruit analogy, that means you have 7 oranges in each box. And if I was to go all the way back up to the beginning and try it out, 3 times 2, and then I'm going to put my answer anywhere there's an x. Let's see here. That is in parentheses plus 4 equals 2 parenthesis plus 17. Now I'm going to take my solution, which was 7. I'm going to put 7 anywhere that I see a parenthesis. And then I'm going to solve this out. Well, this is now some parentheses. This is more of like just PEMDAS. So I'm going to do what's inside the parentheses first. So I'll start off with 2 times 7 being 14. And I'm going to do this parenthesis as well. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 17. I'm going to simplify a little bit more. So what's inside the parenthesis is 14 minus 5, which is 9, plus 4 equals, well, 14 and 17. 14 plus 17 is 31. Okay, now one more bit of multiplication. So 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 4, you may already know that this is correct. 27 plus 4 is 31. That equals 31. Check mark. We are good to go. The solution works out. Okay? So that was arguably the harder problem. So now what I want you to do is actually try the second problem and the third problem on your own. They get progressively easier as you go. If you want to know whether you're correct, just talk to me in class. If you want to know if you're correct on your own, take your answer and plug it in anywhere you have a variable and just do the math and see if you got it correct. I challenge you. Try to see if you can get it correct on your own. And if you don't, see if you can pick up where your mistake was. So guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully that helps you to understand it. If you have any questions, please let me know.